If I ran a small law firm, this is the exact Gemini setup I'd use. The bulletproof Gemini setup for small law firms. The secret is, it's not the prompts, it's the settings. If you gave me exactly 1 hour to audit and optimize your law firm's AI setup, I wouldn't start by teaching your team clever prompts. Honestly, I wouldn't let them near a single prompt yet. Instead, I'd open a page that 90% of lawyers using AI have never seen before, the admin settings. Because here's the hard truth. Law firms that start with prompts usually end up in trouble with the courts or breaching confidentiality. Here's the exact step-by-step setup I use for Gemini to get immediate ROI while keeping your firm completely protected. The foundation is data privacy and settings. Step 1, and the absolute reason everything else works, is securing your data. By default, standard consumer AI tools can use your data inputs to train the model. In a law firm, that's an absolute deal breaker for attorney-client privilege. If you're using Gemini, you need to be on a workspace tier. That means Google Workspace for Enterprise or Business with Gemini add-ons. Why? Because under these commercial terms, your data is encrypted, it stays within your firm's tenant, and it's never used to train the public model. Before anyone types a client name, lock down your data privacy tier, no exceptions. Step 2, dictate what Gemini does and what it never does. The first tasks you should offload to AI are administrative and analytical bottlenecks. Use it to ingest 50 pages of medical records or depositions and generate an initial chronological order summary. Use it to draft routine client update emails or to brainstorm counter-arguments on opposing counsel might raise. The no-fly zone, don't use it as a substitute for primary legal research, especially on niche case law without strict verification. Gemini is an incredible drafting partner and a brilliant analysis, but you are the ultimate arbiter of the law. Treat it like a brilliantly fast but occasionally overconfident first-year intern. This all is known as AI governance, and it's one of the things we specialize at WSI, helping your firm understand how to set up your tools, what they should be used for, and how to protect your data, and how to roll those processes out to your team. If you need help, you can find my contact information in the bottom. Let's move on to step 3, the one-page AI policy. The reason we have a one-page AI policy is because it just flat works. Don't make a 20-page manual that nobody reads. Make it a one-page with 3 simple rules. You'll have people's attention and they're actually going to follow it. Rule 1, no unverified facts or citations leave the office. Rule number 2, every AI-generated draft must be reviewed by a human attorney and signed. Rule 3, only use firm-approved Gemini account. Never personal accounts, never free accounts on your phone. Put all of that in writing, have everyone sign it, and pin it to the digital dashboard for your firm. Step 4, the team rollout strategy. This is how you actually roll this out to your team so they use it. Instead of just handing them a login and say, go save time, we alleviate anxiety by helping the team understand what it's expected to do and have some nice rules in place so that they feel confident in what they're about to do. We'll run a 30-minute workshop as an introduction to get people comfortable with the concept of AI and how to use it. We'll bring one of the firm's standard tedious tasks, something like drafting a demand letter, a template based on an intake form, and show them how Gemini can generate that first draft in about 15 seconds. When they see it save them over 2 hours on a Tuesday afternoon, the adoption is going to happen organically because you solve their problems, not just management's problems. Getting your team to understand AI from initial AI literacy all the way to expertise in the tools they're using every day is why WSI created AI Campus, and we can help you educate your team as part of AI adoption. In the links below, you'll be able to find my contact information where we can have a detailed discussion about your needs. The specific order matters because firms that reverse this order, firms that start by playing with prompts before securing their environment, understanding their settings, or setting their boundaries, are the ones making headlines for hallucinated citations and leaked discovery files. By building a secure infrastructure first, you give your team the freedom to innovate safely. If you want to see how we've scaled other firms securely using Gemini without risking your reputation, drop a comment below or send me a message. Let's get your firm set up the right way. My name is Marty Milligan. My contact information is below. There are a lot of free resources and even an evaluation on how to know where your firm stands in its preparation for AI adoption. Please try those out, leave a message, a comment, like this video, and hopefully you'll tune in for the next one. Thanks and have a great night.